In today's video, I will show you how to find your own phone number on Android. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now there are two ways you can do it. The first one is by going to the settings app. So let's open the settings app and then tap on the connection and then tap on SIM card manager, where you will see your phone number now. If you don't seem to find this option for some reason, there is another method. So what you need to do is open a new browser and then search for what my phone number, and you will see this link. So tap on it and then tap on detect now. Now you need to take this call on this number, which will be active for the next 85 seconds, but don't worry, it's free call, so you will not be charged for the call. So let's call it. Now once the call goes through, it will be automatically disconnected, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, now if we open our browser again, we can see our number here. So this is the way how you can find your own phone number on Android. Thanks for watching this video.